Hi guys, Eric from iScan. In this video, I'll show you how to create a diagnostic report for pre- and post-repair scans. We'll demonstrate this process on a 2017 BMW 230i. From the home screen, launch Diagnosis. Tap European. Tap BMW. Tap Diagnostic. Tap Auto Detect Models. Press Enter to continue. From here, a vehicle identification page appears. Confirm all the information looks correct and press Enter to continue. Tap Whole System Search. Tap all control units over all ECUs. Press Enter to continue. Tap List the systems with fault codes. Tap only the system with fault codes listed. We're now able to view the diagnostic report and can print or email this page. Click the link in this video's description to watch our video on wirelessly printing from your iScan SF. We are also introducing a new function which automatically performs this entire procedure. This function is called Generate Diagnostic Report, and if it's available on the vehicle you are working on, you will see it as an option in the Reports menu. Browse our channel to find more videos on setting up your new iScan SF.